today. She called me that this right here. When you're gonna all blocks now, they've already got but she don't I was up early this morning. I was having an allergy attack. My nose wouldn't quit running, and I don't never get up that early in the morning, but I did. And so Quilt Marine had bought one of these, but with some kind of a red thing and white thing that it was different, but he had these tools right here. So, and he said he didn't like it, didn't work good or anything. So I figured that I would put it through the test. So, and show you how I do it. So, as you can tell right there, there's a problem right there. It didn't want to cut. Alright, let me cut this one on out because I'm going to need these blocks. So I want to cut it out. Alright. So I got the one now. Alright. So you seen that it was messed up. Let's take this right here off. Good time to clean the rotary blade. Look at all that nastiness in there. Okay. So, now then, you want to take and put it inside this, like that. Tighten that down. Now, this side is your finishing side. This side is your sharpening side. We'll stick it down in there, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now we're going to take it out, turn it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, take it, turn it over, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now take this right here off. Don't want to lose it. Now I'm going to take me just a plain ordinary old them face things, and I'm going to wipe it down. And what you also want to do, and hang on, we're going to wipe it down first. Now, we're going to get 3-in-1 oil. We're going to put a little bit of 3-in-1 oil on it. And then we're going to put some oil on it. Okay. Then we're going to put it back in there. And I want something to wipe my hands on. I hope I'm doing, see, this is right, that's left. Get this back up here. I hope I'm doing this one right. Wait a minute, let's turn around here right and see what I'm doing. I still ain't got woke up yet. There we go. There's where I want to go right there. And turn that. Alright. Now we're back in business. Let's get us another one of these. Let's see how well we done. Go all the way down. There we go. Now, see how that worked? And that's the way I do it. And hopefully this will help you, Quilt Marine. But that's the way I do it, and as you can tell, it works. So, you don't... I haven't put water on this since I got it. And you can see how it's wore right in here. But it still works just fine. But that's the way I've been doing it. And I'm happy with it because it does work good. And as you can tell with this block here, which was the first block, it had left a spot there. A glitch, as I call it. But that's the way I do it. And I hope that helps you out. So, I'm going to get off of here, and I have got some blocks that I need to work on for tomorrow night's live stream. See you there.